Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with eggs and bacon. First, boil 2 pounds of potatoes until they are tender, then let them cool before dicing. Next, cook 6 slices of bacon until crispy, then crumble them and set aside. Finally, hard-boil 4 large eggs, peel them, and chop them into small pieces. These steps lay the foundation for a delicious and satisfying dish. Now, let's create the creamy dressing that brings everything together. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of your favorite mustard. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion for a delightful crunch. Season the dressing with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of paprika to taste, ensuring a balanced flavor. With your ingredients prepped and dressing ready, it's time to assemble your potato salad. In a large bowl, gently combine the diced potatoes, chopped hard-boiled eggs, and the crispy crumbled bacon. Pour the creamy dressing over this mixture, then carefully fold everything together until all ingredients are evenly coated. For best flavor, chill the potato salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your delicious homemade potato salad with eggs and bacon is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped chives or parsley before serving. This recipe yields approximately 6 generous servings, making it perfect for picnics, barbecues, or family meals. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.